My name is Ivan Manolov. I'm from Agricultural University Plovdiv, Bulgaria. From this presentation, you will understand what is the difference between the three agricultural systems: conventional agriculture, organic agriculture, and biodynamic agriculture. At the end of the presentation, you will see the levels of organic and biodynamic products. Conventional agriculture refers to farming systems which include the use of synthetically chemical fertilizers, chemical pesticides, herbicides, sometimes genetically modified organisms are grown, heavy irrigation for crop production are used, as well as intensive tillage. On the larger fields, only one crop is grown, which means concentrated monoculture production. In livestock production, concentrated animal feeding operations are used. This conventional agriculture is typically highly resource and energy intensive, but also highly productive. Conventional agricultural methods have only been in development since the late 19th century and did not become widespread until after World War II. A short definition of organic farming. This is a production system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetically produced fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators, and livestock feed additives. These things are forbidden for use. What is allowed? The organic system rely on crop rotations, crop residues, animal manures, legumes, green manures, off-farm organic waste, and aspects of biological pest control to maintain soil productivity and yield, to supply plant nutrients and to control insects, weeds, and other pests. Main principle for organic farming connected with plant production. We understood that industrial fertilizers are forbidden for use. We can maintain soil fertility by application of manure, composted plant residues, biofertilizers from vermicomposting, application of diverse crop rotations, including growing of leguminous crops, which fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. Natural and artificial meadows and pastures improve a lot soil fertility, as well as cultivation of green manure crops. The chemical pesticides for plant protection and growth regulators are forbidden. Resistant varieties to diseases and pests are preferably grown. Stimulation of multiplying of beneficial organisms like entomophagous and super parasites. Cultural, biological, and physical methods for plant protection are used, like collar sticky traps and water traps. Natural preparation as plant extracts essential and plant oils are allowed for applications. Some classical pesticides can be used, like sulfur and copper. Pheromones and mating disruption methods used for decreasing of population of insects. Natural pest control also is applied and intercropping. This means growing of two or more crops on the same place. Which herbicides are forbidden for use in organic agriculture. You can use two methods: direct destruction by hoeing by hand or mechanically, and thermal method. What means thermal method? This is a method to control weeds by heating, where flaming heats plant tissue rapidly to rupture cells without burning, which result in plant desiccation at 45-50 degrees Celsius. Here is example when this wheat was heated and farmer stick leaves between his fingers. When such a wet spot disappear, this means that after several hours this uh, wheat will dry. And principles of organic farming connected to livestock production. Livestock production is based on adapted to local conditions breeds. Methods similar to natural behavior of life for animals are applied. These methods decrease the stress, ensure good health state of animals. Human relation to livestock is applied. Conditions for natural behavior of animals are ensured, like free breathing, enough area in the stables, cattle sheds, open air walking and grazing. Social contacts in the herd are ensured. Strict balance between hybrid animals and cultivated area in the farm is kept. The animals are fed with on-farm produced forages. Growth hormones are forbidden for use. Antibiotics are allowed at the last case for saving an animal's life. And the last agricultural system is biodynamic farming. This system was created by the Austrian philosopher Rudolf Steiner, who formulated the theoretical principles of biodynamic agriculture during lectures held in 1924 in Germany. He reinvented for modern science old knowledge and practice passed down through generations, which in the case of agriculture went back more than 7,900 years. Short definition of this system: biodynamics is a holistic, ecological, and ethical approach to farming, gardening, food, and nutrition. Biodynamic farms is a living organism. Biodynamic agriculture applied all the rules of organic farming, but it has two differences. First, farmers use calendar according which activities in plant protection with the impact of cosmic rhythms, and particularly the moon, are synchronized. And second, biodynamic farming uses field sprays and compost preparations consisting of specific minerals or plants treated or fermented with animal organs, water, and or soil. Key example of a moon calendar, which was created by German lady Maria Thun. In this calendar is written what type of agricultural practices are suitable to be done according the phase of the moon in these specific days. Here is example what is suitable for do when the moon is ascending. It is suitable to harvest fruits or to sow seeds. During the phase moons when it is descending, it is suitable time for transplanting of plants. And how they prepare the different preparation. Made biodynamic preparations for direct application on soil and plants. First preparation is 500 number. It represents fresh cow manure put in cow horn, stayed 6 months in the soil from October to April during the winter time. It provides strong energy which has a stimulating effect on soil microflora. It helps maintain good levels of bacteria and fungi into the soil. It is sprayed over the soil surface. Next preparation 501 is a quartz flour put in cow horn, stayed 6 months in the soil from April to October, and the influence of sun provides strong energy which has a stimulating effect on the growth and maturation of plant tissues. It is sprayed over the plants. And there are 6 compost preparations. Compost preparations with numbers from 502 to 507 come from specially processed plants: yarrow, chamomile, nettle, oak bark, valerian, with animal products which were chosen by Rudolf Steiner due to their special properties to transfer specific forces of nature to the compost. The preparations are placed according to specific scheme in the compost pile, and they influence the proper transformation of nutrients during the maturation of compost. On the right side of this slide, you can see 2 examples how they are prepared. The Preparation 503 represent flowers from chamomile in the small intestine of cow. Preparation 506 represent flowers from taraxacum in the mesentery of cow. And finally, I summarize some advantages of these two organic systems, organic and biodynamic. They increase biodiversity in and around the farms, improves soil structure and fertility. Energy consumption is reduced by about 50% in comparison with conventional agricultural system. Soil erosion is reduced. Soil flora, fauna, and earthworms are protected. Protection of groundwater and environment from pollution by nitrates and pesticides. And finally, production of high quality, healthy food. Here, examples of logos which are put it on the labels of organic products. You can see European organic logo, which is obligatory to be put on all products, all organic products produced in Europe. Logo of United States of America, Australian organic logo, and this is only one biodynamic logo for biodynamic products, only one for all over the world. This is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.